Hello, my lovely viewers all over the world. Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Sorry, I've been busy offline for about 3 months now. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, I have been doing one or two things offline, but I am fully back with fire. Okay, and I'm going to teach you how to make real cash. Okay, how to make real cash back to back. So, if this is the first time of seeing my video, what you need to do is to, once you come to this my channel, what you are going to do is to smash that subscription button, give me a like. Okay, like some of my video and turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to start giving you back to back how you can be making money. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. If you want to make $171 right now on Phantom, okay, on Solana ecosystem. Okay, I said it, let me repeat it again. If you want to make at least $171 on Solana ecosystem, this particular video is for you, because I'm going to show you the practical way how you can get this money. Okay, let me make it clear, I'm still working on other videos that will make you, or will generate you a lot of money. So make sure, that's the reason why I said that you should make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping videos back to back. Another thing you need to do is to subscribe to our Telegram, and also we have our WhatsApp group where we chat and interact with one another to learn a new way to make money. So you will find out the link in the description below. Okay, make sure that you visit the description and the comment below. I'm going to drop all the necessary link that will help you to generate a lot of money. So we are going to start right now. I said it and I'm going to repeat it again. If you want to make at least 171 worth of Solana, okay, if you want to make 171 or 75, depends, okay, worth of Solana, this video is for you. And this is free of charge. You are not going to pay any money. Okay, I'm going to teach you from beginning to the end of this video, and you are going to do it as practical. You are going to see everything. Okay, so what you are going to do right now is very simple. Once you come to this place, you go to your Apple Store, you go to your Google Play Store. Okay, you can go to any of them and download Phantom if you don't have Phantom. Okay, but if you have Phantom, and what you are going to do is come to this Play Store. Okay, so once I come to Play Store, what I'm going to do right now is to search for, either you search for Phantom. Okay, Phantom, you can see it's Phantom Wallet. Okay, if you have Phantom, you can make use of it. Okay, but in this video I'm going to teach you what you should do. Okay, if you have Phantom before, don't use Phantom. Okay, because this is practical stuff that we are going to learn something. Okay, and you are going to thank me after watching this video. So once you come to this place, okay, you search for fly. Okay, fly. So this is another Solana wallet. Okay, this is another Solana based wallet. You can use this one or use Phantom. If you don't have Phantom, you make use of this one. If you have this one, you make use of Phantom, but don't use Phantom, your normal Phantom, to do this. Okay, you can still do it, because I did it before, and with time you are going to understand the reason why I say that you should use this particular one. Okay, so guys, after installing it on your phone, okay, after installing it, the next thing is to click on open here. So once you click on open, you click on this create new wallet here. You click on create new wallet here. So you are going to click on this continue here. So here you are going to click on skip now. You are going to skip this, then you are going to enter any number you want. Okay, any number you want to use as passcode. So you enter it right here, you repeat it again. So you can enable your fingerprint if you want. Okay, so I click on notes now, so enable the notification. Okay, so you can see here that I have $0 here, 0 naira. Okay, so what you are going to do right here is to do the needful. I click on this three line here. You can see where I'm touching this three line. I click on that. So once I click on that three line, I'm going to click on edit. Okay, so once I click on edit, I'm going to add another wallet by clicking on this. So once I click on add another wallet, I'm going to click, you can see add wallet, manage recovering phrase, continue. Okay, create burner wallet. Okay, restore burner wallet and connect ledger. Okay, and connect keystone. So we are going to make use of this import private key. You can see this particular one. You are going to click on import private key here. So once you click on import private key, the next thing you are going to do is to add your name. Okay, the name you want to make use of. Like this wallet, I'm going to use Don Raf, or let's just use our Telegram channel name. Okay, that's online money hunter. So it's too big, so let's just short it small. Online money. Okay, let's just do it online money. Then I'm going to come to this place. Okay, we are going back to our Telegram. So make sure that you are in this Telegram right here, because I'm going to drop that link. The link is in Telegram right now. So once you click on our Telegram, okay, the link will be in the description. So once you join our Telegram, you click on this place right here. Okay, so once you click on that, you copy it. After copying it, you go back. Okay, so you are going to go back to the wallet, and once you come here, you paste the link here. Okay, after posting the link, you are going to click on import. So just look the magic. Okay, look the magic. Whoa, whoa, you can see it right here. Okay, this is 1.199. so you can see it here, 1.199. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to come to settings here. Okay, and I'm going to come to general. Then I'm going to change this naira to US dollar. Okay, I click on this. Then I'm going back. You can see it here. I'm going back. Let me go back. You can see right now is $173.75 right here. Okay, you can see it here. This money is in that recovering phrase. Okay, that code that I drop right here in our Telegram. So once you go there. Okay, it's safe. The code is safe. That's the reason why I say that you should create new one to test this. Okay, so if you want me to teach you how you can withdraw this, I want you to drop it in the comment section. Okay, if you want me to teach you the part 2 on how you can withdraw this, because you can't just withdraw this by coming to this send here. Okay, you can't just withdraw it. I'm going to teach you guys how you can withdraw this to your other account. Okay, but the reason why I ask you to do this right now is for you to understand how this works. Okay, I'm still working on the video, and I'm still doing research on how you can withdraw this to your other account. This is free tutorial that will help you to generate a lot of money. Always remember that what we do here is we tell you, or we teach you how you can generate fund using crypto. Okay, and other means, other legitimate way of making money. That's what we teach you right here, and I'm going to teach you the part 2. I'm still working on the part 2. You guys know that I love telling you things the way it is. Okay, so we are coming back to the part 2, and we are going to do a lot of crazy things this March. Okay, we are going to do a lot of crazy things that will generate us a lot of money. Keep winning and make sure you subscribe, because your subscription will give me joy. Okay, it will motivate me to do more. Okay, I still have a lot of ways to make money, and this is just for the educational purpose. Okay, this is not financial advice. If you do your own research, you can do your things the way you want. Okay, but here I teach you what you should do and how you can make money online. Okay, this is to tell you that I am back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to teach you a lot of things that you need to know about how to make money. Okay, we are back, so go and dust your chair and sit back. Okay, because I'm going to give you back to back from today. And please give me a comment. Okay, give me a sweet comment in comment below, so that I will know whether to proceed. Okay, have you seen this kind of video? What kind of video do you want me to do next? Okay, because I still have a lot of video to do, but I want it to come from you. What kind of video do you want me to drop after this one? Okay, because I love hearing from you guys. Like I said before, I'm going to keep dropping updates back to back where you can make money. This is just to tell you that I am back, and everything is fine right now. We are going to start doing things the way we normally do it. Okay, see you guys at the top. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, join our WhatsApp group. Okay, the link will be in the description. Also join our Telegram channel, the link will be in the description. Try this and thank me later. I'm working on video. Okay, I'm still doing research how to withdraw this. Okay, if you want me to proceed the research, I will still proceed. If you don't want me to proceed the research, tell me the kind of video you want me to drop next. Okay, see you guys at the top. Bye bye.